Question number 2 in the exercise 3.7 conditional identities. If a plus b plus c equal to 2s, then prove that sin s minus a into sin s minus b plus sin s into sin s minus c equal to sin a into sin b. That is our aim. So we can find out the first term and second term separately because it's not enough to solve. Okay, so first we can take it sin s minus a into sin s minus b. Okay, so which is equal to, it is of the form sin a sin b. Sin a sin b equal to 1 by 2 into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So 1 by 2 into cos a minus b. S minus a is a, s minus b is b. So cos s minus a minus s minus b, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So s minus a plus s minus b. So it is the first one. So 1 by 2. So s minus s cancel. So cos, okay. So cos minus a minus into minus plus b. Okay. So minus, so s into s cos 2s minus of a plus b. Okay. So listen my dear student. So we need, the form is either a minus b or a plus b. Here we are getting the structure a plus b. We need a minus b. So we can write as a minus b. Reason is, if we take negative outside, that means cos of minus a minus b. So cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So cos of a minus b. So we can write, I am writing directly. Okay. So if we take minus, it becomes minus a minus b, cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Okay. So minus, look at here, a plus b plus c equal to 2s. So 2s minus of, which implies 2s minus of a plus b is c. So it becomes cos c. Okay. So similarly, we can apply the same formula for the next term. So sin c, sin s minus c, the same sin a, sin b equal to 1 by 2 cos a minus b minus cos a plus c. So 1 by 2 cos c, sorry here yes. So sin s, sin a, sin b equal to 1 by 2 cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Okay. So 1 by 2. So minus s plus s cancel, minus of minus plus c. So cos c minus cos 2s minus c. Okay. So 1 by 2 cos again. So what is 2s minus c? It is a plus b. If a plus b plus c equal to 2s, then 2s minus c equal to a plus b. So put it a plus b. So minus cos a plus b. So we get the expansion for both the terms. For both the things we applied the formula sin a sin b equal to 1 by 2 cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So now LHS can be written as sin s minus a into sin s minus b plus sin s into sin s minus c equal to, for both the terms 1 by 2 is common. Okay. So cos a minus b minus cos c plus cos c minus cos a plus b. Okay. So minus plus cancel. So 1 by 2 cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So it is of the direct form cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. It is 2 sin a sin b. It is nothing but 2 sin a sin b. So 2 to cancel it, which is the RHS. So question number 3 in the exercise 3.7, The question is, if x plus y plus z equal to x into y into z, then prove that 2x by 1 minus x square plus 2y by 1 minus y square plus 2z by 1 minus z square equal to 2x by 1 minus y x square into 2y by 1 minus y square into 2z by 1 minus z square. So that is our aim. My dear student, the hint is present in the question itself. So look at that. So if we replace x by tan theta, what we get? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. It is tan 2 theta. That is a hint. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. That is a hint. So here we have to assume x equal to tan A, y equal to tan B, and z equal to tan C. Okay. So tan A plus, so already given, so 1, take it as 1 implies tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. So if this identity is true, then the condition is either A plus B plus C equal to 0 or 180. If tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to 0, equal to tan A, sorry, not 0, tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A into tan B into tan C, then this condition holds. A plus B plus C equal to 0 or pi. Consider any one, either take A plus B plus C equal to 0 or A plus B plus C equal to 5. Let me consider A plus B plus C equal to 0. So A plus B equal to minus C. Again, look at that. What is the proof? So if we put x equal to tan A, it becomes, I already told you, 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So it becomes tan 2A. Okay. Similarly, 2y by 1 minus y square becomes tan 2B. 2z by 1 minus z square becomes tan 2c. So to prove 2x by 1 minus x square plus 2y by 1 minus y square plus 2z by 1 minus z square equal to the product of the three, it is enough to prove tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal to tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. So if you prove that, this result is also true. So now our aim is to prove tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal to tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. So that is the hint. Everything has 2 angle multiplied by 2. So here also multiply both the sides by 2. So 2a plus 2b equal to minus 2c. So apply tan on both sides. Tan of 2a plus 2b equal to, so tan of minus theta minus tan theta, I am writing directly. Or if you want, you can write one more step. Tan of minus 2c. Apply the formula tan A plus B. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay. So tan B equal to minus tan 2c. Okay. Now just cross multiply. We are get, which implies tan 2a plus tan 2b equal to multiply. So minus into minus, 1 into minus. So minus tan 2c. Okay. So minus into minus plus tan 2a tan 2b tan 2c. Okay. So change the side of this one. We are getting tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal to, okay, tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. Already what is tan 2a, tan 2b, tan 2c? Use that values. We are getting the required answer. Replace tan 2a by this first value, tan 2b by the second value, tan 2c by the third. We are getting this answer. If you want, you can write the answer here. Write the final answer. 2x by 1 minus x square. So write this step again here. Number 4 in the exercise 3.7, there are two subdivisions. So let me solve the first one. If a plus b plus c equal to 90 degree, then sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 cos a cos b cos a. It is similar to the problems in the first sum. Okay. So again take the LHS. Okay. So LHS is equal to, so it is of the form sin c plus sin d. So use the formula 2 sin, listen my dear student, sin c plus d by 2, 2a plus 2b by 2 is a plus b, okay, into cos m c minus d by 2, 2a minus 2b by 2, so sin a cos a minus b. So it can be written as 2 sin c cos c. Are you clear? 2 sin c cos c. Now look at here. So a plus b plus c equal to 90 degree, which implies a plus b equal to 90 minus c. So instead of a plus b, we can put 90 minus c. So cos a minus b 2 sin c cos c, because in the right hand side everything in terms of cos a, cos b, cos c. So we have to convert in terms of cos. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos a minus b 2 sin c cos c. So take 2 cos c outside, 2 cos c into cos a minus b plus sin c. Again a c equal to 90 minus of a plus b. Okay. So 2 cos c into cos a minus b, it can be sin 90 minus of a plus b. Okay. 2 cos c cos a minus b, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos a plus b. So cos a minus b plus cos a plus b is 2 cos a cos b. Okay. So 2 cos a cos b, direct formula identity. So 2 into 2 becomes 4 cos a cos b cos c. It is similar to the subdivisions present in the first question. There are 7 subdivisions. It is similar to the first subdivision. Subdivision 2, question number 4 in the exercise 3.7. Again, if a plus b plus c equal to 90, then prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equal to 1 plus 4 times sin a sin b sin c. Again take the LHS. Okay. So forget the RHS. So cos c plus cos d, it is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2a plus 2b by 2 is a plus b into cos c minus d by 2. 2a minus 2b by 2 is a minus b. Okay. So it is cos 2 in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square c. Okay. So again a plus b equal to 90 minus c. So put cos 90 minus t cos a minus b plus 1 minus 2 sin square c. Okay. So take this one separately, and it is 2 sin c cos a minus b minus 2 sin square c. Okay. So now for these two terms take 2 sin c in common, remaining cos a minus b minus sin c. Again c equal to 90 minus a plus b. So 1 plus 2 sin c cos a minus b minus sin 90 minus a plus b. Okay. So sin 90 minus a plus b is cos a plus b. So okay. So sin c cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Okay. So cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. So 1 plus 2 sin c into 2 sin a sin B. Okay, so that is 1 plus 2 into 2, 4 sin A, sin B, sin C, right in the order. That is the RHS. If triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and A equal to 90 degree, so look at that. So A, B, C, given that angle A equal to 90 degree, pi by 2, and it is a triangle ABC. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay, or we can put pi. Okay, so here given that angle A is 90 degree, so angle B plus angle C equal to 180 minus 90, 90. So keep this one, angle B plus angle C equal to 90. Okay, so our aim is to prove it is question number 5 in the exercise 3.7. There are 3 subdivisions. Now we are going to solve only the first 2. So first subdivision, prove that cos square B plus cos square C equal to 1, and the second one sin square B plus sin square C equal to 1. Take the first one, LHS. Okay, cos square B plus cos square C equal to, take the LHS. Either you can write C as 90 minus B or B as 90 minus C. Okay, so keep the first term cos square B plus, okay, so cos square of, so angle B plus angle C equal to 90 degree. Okay, here no need to put angle symbol because they are using only BC. Okay, so now B plus C equal to 90, that means C equal to 90 minus B. So cos 90 minus B sin theta. So here square is present, therefore sin square theta. So cos square B plus sin square B, well known answer, it is 1. That is the RHS. Similarly, take the LHS of the second subdivision, sin square B plus sin square C. Again put C equal to, okay, sin square of 90 minus B. Okay, so sin square B plus it becomes cos square B. Okay, that is also 1. That's all. Third subdivision in the question 5, exercise 3.7. So remember that condition, given that angle A is 90 degree and it is a right angle triangle, therefore A plus B plus C equal to 180, and A is 90 degree. So P plus C equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90. So look at that, the third subdivision, half angle is present. So divide both the sides by 2. B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to 90 by 2 is 45. So remember these values. Okay. So now take the LHS alone. Cos B minus cos C. Okay. So look at that. In the answer, half angle is present. Okay. And the meantime, we have to change any one of this angle, either convert B into C or C into B. So we can change the second one. B plus C equal to 90, C equal to 90 minus B. So cos 90 minus B. Okay. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin B. Are you clear? So we have to write in the form of half angle formula. So half angle means cos B is 2 cos square B by 2 minus 1. Already we know the formula, cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. Okay, we cross multiply 2 cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A. Okay, so cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. This is a formula. Instead of A here, 2A, A is present. So cos A equal to minus 1 to cos square A by 2. 2A becomes A, then A becomes A by 2. So that is the first one. Similarly, sin 2A formula, we know that 2 sin A cos A. Okay, but here A, so A means sin A by 2, 2 sin A by 2, cos A by 2. So remember these two half angle identities, we are going to use it here. So 2 cos square b by 2 minus 1 minus, okay, 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2, okay. So look at the answer, 2 cos b by 2, so that is the hint, take it outside. And one more thing, minus 1 is already present, so minus 1 plus, for these two terms take 2 cos b by 2 in common, so remaining cos b by 2 minus sin b by 2. So look at my dear student, we are moving according to the answer. Look at the right hand side, cos b by 2, that is over, but next sin c by 2 is there. So we need c by 2 in this place of b by 2. So use this condition, b by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 45. So b by 2 equal to 45 minus c by 2. So write b by 2 in terms of c by 2, that is present in the answer. So minus 1 plus 2 cos b by 2, cos b by 2 is nothing but 45 minus c by 2 minus sin 45 minus c by 2, okay. So to get the answer easily, better we can use cos a minus b, sin a minus b expansion, minus 1 plus 2 cos b by 2, okay. So cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, okay. So cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b minus sin a minus b formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So put the bracket because minus is common, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, okay. Are you clear? So now look at here, minus 1 plus 2 cos b by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos c by 2, sin 45 is also 1 by root 2, sin c by 2 minus again 1 by root 2 cos c by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by root 2 sin c by 2, okay. Now look at here, 1 by root 2 cos c by 2 minus 1 by root 2 cos c by 2 cancel. So minus 1 plus 2 cos b by 2, okay. So these two are equal. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by root 2 sin c by 2. So 2 if we cancel root 2. So again multiply, we are getting minus 1 plus 2 root 2, okay. So cos b by 2 sin c by 2, that is the RHS. So we have to do it carefully because we are moving according to the answer. First we are writing both in terms of B or both in terms of C. I am writing both in terms of B, and we using B by 2 half angle formula. I am converting once again C by 2 we need. I am rearranging B by 2 in terms of C by 2 cos A minus B sin A minus B, and do it carefully.